Wee. Hammer time. I've seen the pros do that. Sit down in the driver's seat.
Oh.
What we're looking for today, guys, is a reaction strike. We got a high bluebird skies. Beautiful Martin Lake. Pawpaw's got his jackhammer out.
There he is.
I hear you, Trey.
All right.
What is that?
He caught one, broke his line. Look how big it is. Look how big it is.
Trey caught it.
Well, at least you set the hook good.
Yeah. Got my jackhammer back. That must have been a bad spot in the line. I didn't pull on it that hard. Yeah. What are you done caught two and missed two?
Yeah.
Tell them what we like to get into.
There you go.
I hear you, Trey.
There you go.
There you go.
Put him in the live well.
I got it. I got it.
Dang. Tore up my fat Albert.
He did.
Yeah, that's ours.
You need some more?
Nah, I'm good.
I might accidentally have some in there.
I got some somewhere. I just throw together this bag right here just to bring with me when I go places. It's got a little bit of everything in it.
What'd you do? Flip that fat Albert grub in that?
Mm-hmm. I seen a little one come up after it. And I let it drop. Snagged him up. It's a watermelon seed, I guess. Let's see if I can catch another one out of there.
Let's get them some water in there. If they pull in water, they're gonna be up against bank cutters. Getting out of that current in an ambush point. But now when you're fishing spring time,
There he was.
you miss him.
Uh-huh. That's a little nicer fish.
It's a black, ain't it?
That's what it looks like.
Come out behind that log.
I just threw it in there too.
That was probably the one you missed. Oh, he stole my boot tail off.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, catfish come on. They stealing the rubber on me. Pulling pretty good. I don't know if it's a catfish or what.
You foul hook one.
Did I foul hook him?
Yeah.
How do you foul hook a top water fish?
Oh, I guess he didn't quite want it.
Huh?
I guess he didn't quite want it.
Slapped at it, did he?
Yeah.
You shouldn't have done that. You catch them in the mouth, I catch them in the tail.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got some hung up right there. I got it.
Man, that's nice one.
Wee. Hammer time. I seen the pros do that. Sit down in the driver's seat.
Oh.
Pretty good little fish.
There we go. He hit that in right
You've been
in the mouth.
holding it over my head.
But he hit that right in the center mouth. That must be the perfect size and the perfect color.
Yeah, that big one hit it right at. I hit him right in the center, right between the eyes and the mouth.
That's a spot too. Right in the top of the mouth.
That's like a. You might have flies.
Yeah. Well, I noticed you ain't used to getting a hook out of a fish mouth as well as I am. Guess I might be a little more practice on it.
There might be one or two more on your side, but I got mine of each area.
Yeah. Blind hog find an acorn every now and then. Missed him. Mm-hmm.
How'd you know you had a fish?
Seen my line move.
Dark as it is.
Mm-hmm.
I love catching like that. That's a pretty good fish there.
Right there. There he is.
It's a shaky worm. Fish. Your side's got more in it than my side.
Yep. That's usually how it is, ain't it?
No, he didn't swallow.
I guess I hooked his mouth shut. You want a fluke? Is that what that was? Sluggo.
Sluggo.
Man,
That's
them things
good.
long, ain't they?
Yeah, they long. Good eating size.
I got a little split shot on there. Help it fall a little quicker.
I hear you, Trey. They might might be on the bank doing it more. I'll call them on the float, man. I thought, well, that high bluebird sky, it would be, they'd need a reaction strike, but now they probably eating now.